Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to tell you one important tip and one important thing that will really help you whenever you move to other country or you go to other country. Just want to tell about OnePlus Roaming. OnePlus Roaming is doing a different job. It's a quite popular one, but many people have doubts regarding that OnePlus Roaming. So I just want to tell you and make clear so that you'll never forget to use this feature. Generally, when you move to other country or when you go to other country for internet access, you need to buy other sim, and if you buy other sim, you need to wait for 1 or more days to get activated, and you wait until it gets activated. But what this OnePlus roaming will let you use internet on your device without changing the sim. I'll show you what is OnePlus roaming. I'll show you this OnePlus roaming. Go to this Wi-Fi internet, and this is OnePlus roaming, and this is called OnePlus roaming. In this one, you'll see different countries like United States, Japan, Thailand, Yemen. When you click on United States, these are the packs that are provided by that particular country by OnePlus roaming, like 30 MB free trial 0 rupees, or US 1 GB 7 days 780 rupees, and US Delhi Pass Plus. These rates are very reasonable when compared to the SIM rates, SIM charges that are being charged by those countries. So if you use this, you no need to change SIM at all. You can directly use, and this is free of cost. Not free of cost. Some countries will offer free trials, but these rates are very reasonable, and you can use this one without any extra hassles, and you can use this, and the speed is very fast, and you can use free trial 0 rupees. Japan, even if you go to Japan, if you can access free trial like 30 MB free trial 0 rupees, and Japan 100 MB 1 day 120, and Japan 1 GB 10 days 710. And this is called Japan Daily Pass Plus. It's like 50 days or 50 days or something, like 370 per day. And you can do it like Japan Daily Pass Plus 4G network, unlimited daily 500 high speed data, like 370 rupees per day. These, I think, I don't know this rate is reasonable or not, but this feature is very handy. Whoever can accept. Thank you, and subscribe my channel.